In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a phone number clickable in WordPress in just 5 minutes. This is a great way to ensure that visitors to your site can easily contact you with just a tap on their phone, making it a valuable feature for enhancing user experience. So let's dive right in. To start, you'll need to open WordPress and log into your dashboard. Once you're there, take a look at the sidebar on your left. You'll see a variety of options, but for today's task, you'll want to click on the Gutenberg editor. This powerful tool allows you to create and customize your pages and posts with ease, giving you the creative freedom to make your site exactly as you imagine it. Next, you'll need to open the specific page or post where you want the phone number to appear. This might be your contact page or perhaps a call to action section on your homepage. Wherever you choose, make sure it's a spot where visitors will easily find it. Now that you've got your page open, it's time to add a paragraph or text block. This will serve as the space where you'll input your phone number. In the Gutenberg editor, it's as simple as clicking Add Block and selecting either a paragraph or text block from the options. With your block set up, go ahead and type your phone number into this space. Be sure to input the complete number to avoid any errors later on. Once your number is in the block, you'll want to highlight it. This step is crucial as it allows you to link the number directly to a phone call action. With the number highlighted, go to the block toolbar and locate the link icon, which looks like a small chain. Clicking on this icon will open a field where you can input what is known as the tell link format. The tell link format is a simple URL that starts with tell, followed by your phone number. For example, if your phone number is 123-456-7890, you would enter tell 123-456-7890 in this field, making sure not to include any dashes or spaces. This format tells the web browser that this is a telephone number link, so when clicked on a mobile device, it will prompt the device to initiate a call to that number. Once you've entered the correct format, simply click the Apply button to save these changes. And there you have it. Your phone number is now clickable, making it a breeze for users to get in touch with you. Test it out by viewing your site on a mobile device to ensure everything works smoothly. With just these few steps, you've enhanced the functionality of your WordPress site, making it more user-friendly and accessible. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check out our other WordPress tutorials for more tips and tricks.